Diego go! Prairie Dog Rescue! Hi, I am Diego. I am on the prairie with Mama Prairie Dog and Papa Prairie Dog. Prairie dogs live underground in a burrow. They can hide there if they are in danger. Oh no! I think I hear a coyote. Prairie dogs are afraid of coyotes. Mama Prairie Dog and Papa Prairie Dog need our help. We have to get their 5 prairie dog pups into the burrow to keep them safe from the coyote. There are lots of animals on the prairie. I see an armadillo and an owl. Do you see any prairie dog pups? Look, 2 prairie dog pups are eating grass. The coyote is getting closer. We need to find the other prairie dog pups. We need to call them. Say, yip, yip. 2 more prairie dog pups heard our call. They are jumping and barking. We need to carry the prairie dog pups. My rescue pack can turn into anything I need. Should we use a boat, skis, or a wagon to carry the prairie dog pups? Yes, a wagon. How many prairie dog pups have we found? 1, 2, 3, 4. We need to find 5 prairie dog pups. 1 is still missing. We need to use my spotting scope to look for the last prairie dog pup. Do you see him? There he is. Oh no! The coyote is getting closer to the prairie dog pup. Which path should the prairie dog pup take to get to our wagon? Hooray! We found all 5 prairie dog pups. Prairie dogs put a big pile of dirt at their burrow so they know where it is. Do you see the biggest pile of dirt? That is the burrow. Mama Prairie Dog and Papa Prairie Dog are so happy to see all of their prairie dog pups. Look, here comes the coyote. We have to hurry. All of the prairie dogs are safe inside the burrow. The coyote is gone. Rescue complete. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share. And follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And for more Go Diego Go stories, check out my Go Diego Go playlist. And if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you. See you next time.